Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this smart band. So let's get started. So if you want to download additional watch faces on your smart band, first you'll need to pair it with a phone. And once the devices are paired together, you can open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with your smart band, then tap on device. Here you should see your Smart Band 10 Pro, and under it you will see this Managed Band Displays. Tap on All to open the whole category, and here we have the online store for the watch faces. Browse the categories, look for something you like, and once you find the watch face you enjoy, you can tap on it, then tap on Apply, and the watch face will be downloaded and applied on your smart band. As you can see, the watch face was applied. And you can install multiple watch faces, and at some point you probably will run out of space for them and you want to install more. You need to remove some, and to do that go to Local. Here find the watch face you want to remove, tap on it, and then tap on More Options icon, tap on Delete, and tap on OK. And the watch face will be removed, and once you free up some space you can download some more if you want to. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch, or rather smart band. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.